No, guys, I'm not going to show you digital planners or ebooks or any of that boring stuff. I'm going to show you 3 digital products that you can create yourself that are low competition, are massively profitable, making over $4,000 per month each. And number 3 is probably my favorite because it's the easiest one to do and it's the funniest. And guys, my name's AJ. I do all things AI, digital products, selling on Etsy, and all that great stuff. So if you're interested in any of that, remember, hit the like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell so you can get more of my videos in your feed. Even your pet goldfish can make these, guys. It's that easy. Now, the first one on my list is actually an anatomy digital study bundle. Now, let me explain. Now, if you look at my screen, you can see this bundle of anatomy related information analyzer tool is making over $4,000 per month. It's an 8-month-old listing. And this is typically about knowledge is power and knowledge pays kind of digital product. Now, if we look at it, it's literally a digital download. Although it looks like a big book, it's actually a digital download, and you can see that the seller structured it with an index. We can actually go and click on various parts. You can see imagery of the anatomy, and you can sell many sorts of things where it shows you all the different parts of the body and various other things to do with the body systems and its functionality. Now, you might be thinking, AJ, why are you showing us this? Well, I'm showing you this because I'm literally telling you that knowledge sells, right? Whatever bit of knowledge you have, think about what you do on a daily, your profession, your job. Your knowledge will sell, guys. This is to do with nursing, guys. So it might be some medical nurse that has produced this. I don't really know. But this is one single listing making over $4,000 and literally is about a guide for nurses, right? Fabulous. Absolutely fantastic. It's a digital download. It's got some really nice images which you can create through AI, and it has a really good format. Now, this doesn't have to be just about nursing. Think about what you do. This could be something to do with, I don't know, artists, engineering, sculptors, chefs, food related, anything profession that I can think of can actually be something where you're sharing this knowledge with an audience, selling on Etsy. There'll be somebody that wants to learn it, right? If you can produce it in a way that actually looks interesting, adding some imagery, then it will do well. Obviously, also check to see the competition. Make sure that you have a better chance when it's a low competition niche. So that is my first one, guys. Now let's move on to my second fantastic idea. And actually, before getting into this, guys, I've got a new school community where I'm taking 50 people to actually teach them how to start a profitable Etsy store. So if you're interested in that, remember, check out the link below. Okay, the second idea is this. Now, you're not actually getting these nice little crochet made coaster pots. You don't get this. You just get a pattern, guys. And I've been saying this for years, actually, that selling things like sewing patterns, bag patterns, crochet patterns is very, very lucrative. So if you have a skill like sewing, where you can actually create a pattern bundle or a pattern where you're literally instructing exactly how somebody could make this using crochet, then you could do very, very well. Now, this bundle of these really cool flower pots made by crochet makes over $4,000. And in fact, there are so many examples on Etsy of crochet patterns making a lot of money. And also things like clothing, dress patterns, things like plans to make model buildings, things like plans to make bags. So there are many of these pattern types, or if you like, guides, if you like, digital guides, digital PDFs that are instructional based that can help guide people to make these different items. So they are very lucrative, very easy to produce. And if you have that knowledge and that skill level, guys, honestly, you can do very, very well. So do check out EverBee and do check out these listings. I'm going to use EverBee right now. You can see it here, and you can see when I go down to the keywords, you can see that there are many keywords that are doing very well within this particular niche. You can see crochet flower pot, crochet mini pot. These are very high keyword scores. And remember, you can find these using my research tool called EverBee. The link is below. Definitely try it out. Definitely something to identify those low competition niches. And this is a very clear indicator that this person can do very well within this niche. And they have, which is the crochet flower and mini pot niche with within the crochets, and you can see the high word scores. So it's doing fantastically well. Let's move on to the third idea now. The last one on my list is this set of 4 custom funny pet portraits, guys. It's probably the simplest thing that you can do. It is absolutely phenomenal. It's funny. People love funny, and they love these kind of things. And it's simply a case of you would send a photo image of your pet, and then the seller will create these kind of funny images, a set of 4 different funny images of your dog or cat, possibly. I think it's just dog in a bath. Well, actually, it can be cat as well, in a bathroom setting in a funny scene, like you can see here. Now, this is honestly one of the easiest things you can do with AI, and it's probably one of the funniest, and it's very, very lucrative. So let's use EverBee again to see how much it's making. This bestseller is making $4,790 per month, and it's only a 6-month-old listing. Absolute monster. It's a digital download, and it can be done really, really quickly. And on this video, I want to show you how easy and quickly it is to produce. So check this out. Okay, guys, so I'm on Kittl, my go-to AI design platform that can do a hell of a lot of things. Designing, editing, got some fantastic fonts, mockups. It can do literally everything right now. So I thoroughly recommend it. You can try it for free. The link is below. I've also got 25% off all the plans if you do like it. So definitely check out my promo code. And this is what we're going to do today. We're going to do a very quick example of, let's say a customer sent you a picture of their dog and you want to create a image similar to those of those funny dog images. Now look at this. It's so easy. So I'm going to go to upload. I'm going to get a picture of a dog that I have. Let me use this one. I'm going to use this one, right? And I'm just going to show you the power of how simple it is to do. Okay, so what I do is I've uploaded a photo. So let's say a customer sends you a photo, you go to remix, right? Click remix. Now this is what I'm going to say. Create a funny image in black and white in a photorealistic way of the dog sitting in a bath holding a newspaper, looking at the camera, smiling, and the bath has bubbles, right? Now listen, Kittl has many different design models, right? So you can, if I click here, you can see it's on Nano Banana, which is a really, really cool design model. It's got Sea Dream, it's got ChatGPT, it's got so many Flux. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the advice, because there's different types of Nano Banana. I'm going to go with this one, which is Nano Banana 2, which is the realistic imagery, which is going to give it more of a realistic sort of image look. So like I said, got a picture from the customer. Now I'm creating this kind of funny image. Now I've explained how I want the image to be using this prompt, a string of keywords, which I've written. And now I'm going to click the button generate, right? Let's see what it produces. Now this takes approximately 30 or so seconds using this model, which is pretty quick. Okay, guys, I can't stop laughing, guys. Look at this. Oh my God, look at this. Isn't that phenomenal? This is, by the way, this is just my first attempt. You can always go back and you can change the prompt or add to the prompt or change it up a little bit, and you can change up the image as well, right? Obviously, also think about what the customer wants. Ask the customer what kind of image they want. But look at this. This is my first attempt and it's absolutely fantastic. It literally produced it for me. Let me just enlarge it so you can just see this. Look at this. Isn't that amazing, guys? Look how amazing. Even down to the newspaper where, right, local squirrel population declines. The whole thing is hilarious, guys. It's absolutely phenomenal. But guys, this is the power of AI. This is how powerful it is. You can literally do anything right now. And, you can create anything. There's a massive demand with things like this. And for me, this is probably the easiest thing to produce rather than the first 2 examples. But guys, if you're looking to start an AI digital product business on Etsy, then definitely do check out my school community below. I'm only taking a certain amount of people to help and mentor, so do check it out. And if you did like this video, remember, please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell. Do try out EverBee and Kittl, those 2 fantastic tools to help you find and design stuff like this. Take care, and I shall see you on the next video.